Hey guys, welcome back to Paracord Planet. In our hat video, we told you that we have plenty of ridiculous paracord creations planned out for this summer, and this is one of those videos. We're going to be making what we hope is the world's largest paracord bracelet. This one hopefully won't take us a year and a half to make. We're going to finish it today. So for our largest paracord bracelet, we need some large paracord. So I first had this idea when I found an old shackle at a garage sale. I thought it would be really fun to use this as a paracord bracelet shackle, since it's the same thing, just ridiculously large. Not intended for paracord, obviously, but I wasn't able to get this one unstuck. It was just too rusted through, and so I picked up this one at a hardware store recently. This is going to work far better. So with that and this Paramax from our warehouse, an exploded spool that somebody surprisingly didn't want, it was a return. Can you believe it? I think this is our largest paracord at 3/8 inch Paramax. So with that, let's dive in. So we estimated this project to need about 130 feet of Paramax cord, but we haven't tried this before. This is live, we're discovering it as we go, so we might make mistakes, but that's part of the fun of it. So we'll find the middle of that cord, as always, which is going to be extra difficult this time, and start our weaving. There's our end. Now back to the middle. Our middle. Okay, so now I gotta remember how to do this on a larger scale. Yeah, usually we end up cow hitching the cord onto the shackle. I'm not pulling all the cord through. We're doing the shortcut way. There we go. Look at that. Okay, and then we wanted it to be about, I think it was about 5 feet of core strands. Yardstick's not long enough anymore. So there was about it. This is just approximate. I mean, who are we making this for anyway? And that'll wrap around this bar. So we'll get rid of that. Okay, we'll start on our first layer of this King Cobra. So, first knot, I guess that works. I think it's about the size we want too. I'm liking that. So I'll just tighten that first one down by adding that second one. And then I think I'm gonna hank up this cord so I can just put it through easier. This is the one that's going to be going through every time, since this one goes over the top, and we'll be pulling this through the loop. So I think we want to put this in some kind of hank. Fast hank. How wide is this camera? My end is here. So then if we do a double twist, there we go. World's largest butterfly hank. Okay, this probably isn't going to look nice on camera though, pulling it through the loop. We'll see. We'll try this. Okay, so next knot. First one over the side, that one around the back and through. We're going to have to make our loops bigger. So, is this going to be any faster is the question. Probably. Doesn't look real pretty, but this is hard to tighten down too because it's stiffer. Okay, that working? We'll keep on going. I mean, there's nothing weird to see here. I mean, we can watch this all in real time if you want, but I think we're just going to speed up through the first layer, and then we'll see what it looks like then. All right, so here we go. Our first layer is done. Now it's just time to go over one more time and make it a king cobra. Cue time lapse. All right, so there is our giant paracord bracelet. Now we just have to figure out what the heck we're going to use this for. Thanks for joining us for this one. This was really fun. It was kind of a video to celebrate 60,000 subscribers that we just recently hit. So if this is your first introduction to us, then I'm sorry. This was a little different of a video, but I hope you subscribe and stick around. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.